Hi, welcome back to another relaxing sounds video. Now recently I made a post saying to give me 5 relaxing sounds. Whichever one had the most likes, I would put in my next video. Well, there was a comment that had a few likes, actually the most, and they said to have some sounds, right? But there are only 4, so I had to look through more comments, and turns out there's actually a reply in the most liked comment, and that one also had an idea for a sound, so I'm going to be using those 5 sounds. So here we go. Starting off, unfortunately right now I do not have the smart person container, but instead I have something much better. State-of-the-art plastic eraser case, which kind of sounds about the same. Let's go. Awesome. Okay, next up, straw and remote. Here we go. What color is that one? It's good. Now that one. Nice job. Which color is that one? Okay, and which color is that one? Great job. Amazing. Splendid. Superb. Next up. Awesome. So, next up, we have follow the light and follow the pen. Now, if you have commented on that post and have commented these specific items, definitely make sure to tell me in this video's comments. And nice job on getting the most likes. So, let's go. Follow the pen. Follow the pen. Follow the pen. Follow the pen. Why are you looking at the light? Follow the pen. Alright, now look at the tree lollipop blue tree thingy fidget. I don't know. Look at it. Look at it. Ignore everything else. Ignore everything else. Okay, now look at the pen and ignore everything else I say, okay? Okay, look at the pen, look at the light, look up, look down now. Look up, follow the light, follow the light. Alright, look right, now look left. Okay, look right at the nose, look back at the pen. Okay, look at the pen, look at the light, look at the pen, look at the pen, look at the light, look at my nose, look at my light, look at the nose, look at the pen, look at the pen, look at the light, look at the light, look at the pen, look at the light, look at the pen. Nice job. Okay. So now, that's all that the comments posted, but we do have one more spot. This is what the reply said. B-pad. I love this one. So, today I'm going to be drawing an emoji. You'll have to guess which emoji it is, okay? I'll be giving you hints as it goes along if it's not too obvious. So, let's see. Thinking of an emoji. Okay. This one is a face emoji. I stink at drawing. This one has a certain part of its face covered, which is either its ears, its eyes, its nose, or its mouth. It's a fairly simple emoji. you don't really need to use it in many situations, and it could be sent in a way that does not actually mean what it was intended to, which basically means it can mean more than one thing. Got your guess? Ready? 3, 2, 1. The sunglasses emoji. Nice job. Okay. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.